ginagawa ng administrasyong ito, he respects the separation of powers. He does not even want, maraming mga legal opinion na sinasabi, President, you request the Senate to convene for an emergency session. He did not do that because he respects the separation of powers. He allows all the agencies to work according to its mandates. That's not an indication, or that's not even an attribute of a dictator. Di ba? Wala naman ho sa administrasyon niya na may nakaupong citizen na Chief Justice na nakuwaranto o kinasuhan. Wala ho sa administrasyon niya na may sitting senador na kinasuhan at pinakulong. So there's no indication to me, mag-midterm na po ang kanyang administrasyon. Wala pong indikasyon na nagsasabing, hindi nga ho siya vindictive eh. In fact, hindi ho siya vindictive. Kung sa ibang leader po yon, mumurahin ka, tapos kung ano-ano ipagsasabihin sa yumao mong tatay. I mean, it's a human nature to really retaliate and get even. Wala ho siyang ginawa. Wala ho siyang sinabi na in a way na insultuhin niya yung nagsasabi or yung nagte-threaten sa kanya. Wala. So, far from it. So, I don't see any iota of him becoming a dictator. It's actually the opposite.